So let's start. Everyone able to see my screen?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Okay. See here actually we discussing about the
Recording in progress.
So in the joins we have three topics. One is if there is no common variable between the two data sets, if we combine, and if there is a common variable, how we are combining. And the common variable scenario, we have two things: matching with non-repeating case, matching with the repetition case. Correct? So what will happen in a matching with a non-repetition case? So non-repetition case means when you combine, if there is no repetition case was there, how we are combined? So normally in a data step method and proc SQL method also. Correct? For example, we saw that we combined a full join and we combine through the proc SQL. So what is the difference you observed while it will combining? So this is the difference, correct? In SQL, unlike in a data step merger, it did not override the values, but instead it will ignore. So to overcome, because of ignorance, you are going to get some missing observations. If you get a missing observation on a common variable, so what we used to overcome that issue, we used a callsec function. What callsec function will do? So in a callsec function, if you pass two observations, out of these two observations, whichever is not missing, that it will pick as an output. Clear? So we saw how left join will work, right join will work, and unit join also will. Okay. Now let's see one more scenario, matching with repetition case. Okay. And there is a common variable is there, and what it happen if a repetition case? What is the repetition case mean? Let me show you some data first. Okay. So these are the two input data sets, M1 and M2. Observe these two data sets. So what is the common variable between these two data sets? E is the common variable. Observe the key variable observations now. A, B, B. Here, A, C, C. Here, the common variable observations are repeating. Did you agree? Whereas previously, it was not repeated. It was a unique values in the both the data sets. See, A, B, and C. In each data set, here A, B, unique values. Here also A is unique values. But here it was repeating. If it is repeating like this, if I combine these two data sets, either in data step or in a proc step, how the output data set will come? In the data step also, we haven't discussed this scenario when last time when we discussed. Remember? How the observations will come. Okay. So the code will change. Okay. Code will same only. For example, if you take a full join or left join or inner join using data step or a proc step, the code will be same. Okay. For example, I am doing for a full join. Same. Use the data step or proc scale, same code I'm taking. Code I'm not doing any changes because code won't change. Maybe your input data sets will change. The way of doing will be same, coding wise, but the output data set you will get a different. Okay. So here M1 is my input data set. I'm sorting to sorted 1 and sorted 2. Sorted by the key variable. Now first we'll see in the data step method. I'm combining the M1 and M2 data set in a full join method. See, M1, M2. I'm combining. You're getting the output like. When we have repetition case, when you merge within data step method, I'm getting the output like this. How this output is coming? Anyone? Sorted 1, sorted 2. When I combine, the full join output coming like this. How the output is coming? How it is combining? Let me show you in an Excel. Let me explain. Okay. So these are my two input data sets now. Now these two input data sets I'm going to combine using full join. Okay. It's already sorted. Sorted 1, sorted 2. Now I'm going to combine these two data sets in a full join. So how in the full join will you combine? Okay. So first key variable will come and value 1 will come. This key variable will override the existing key variable. So what is that meaning? For example, here two A's are there. Here 3 A's are there. Okay. When 2 A's will be overwritten with 3 A's, what is the output will come? When 2 A's overwritten with the 3 A's, what is the output will come?
3 years.
3 years.
Obviously 3 A's will come. Correct? Next value 2. Fine. Chalo. Now see, first key variable value is A. Check A is available in a value 1. Yes, available. Check in the data set 2, available. Yes, available. That's it. Now first observation was done. It won't go back to the first observation. Now second A. We'll check for second observation. It's available. Yes, available. Check in the data set too. Second observation is available. You have one more A also. Correct. Check in the data set 1. Do you have third A? No. So you're supposed to get a missing value. Do you have third A? Yes, here you have. What is the value to value? 21. Similarly for B, you have 11, 12.1 and do you have B in data set 2? So you'll get a missing. Next to B, 12.2 missing. Same for C. Check in the data set 1. Not available. So you'll get a missing. Data set 2, 23. C, missing and 23. Okay, clear? This is how you're supposed to get a output data set. But only one extra thing will happen. So remember, for a common, okay, well, in this scenario alone, whenever you have a repetition case, whenever you have a repetition case, you won't get a missing values, missing observation. What it will do, it will retain the previous value. This is the only thing additionally it will do. Whenever in the repetition case, okay, you won't get a missing value, it will retain the previous values. Okay, clear? Now check your output data set. You got the same output. Okay. 11.1, 21.1, 11.2, 21.2, 11.2, 21.3, 12.1, 12.2, 23.1. It's coming correctly now. So only you have to remember. It's a normal way. Previously also, it will combine the, when you have no, there is no repetition keys also, it will combine same way. A, B, B, C, C, like this, it will check and it will combine wherever have a variable. Correct? Only thing is when you have repetition keys, you have to remember in this scenario, it will retain the previous value. Okay. So take a note. Remember this note, your work will simple. In repeating keys case, for missing values, it will retain the previous value. Okay, clear everyone? Any doubts? Anyone have anything? Okay. Now same case, if I combine using proc escape, I'm creating the table full join escape. So here M1 full join with M2. M1 full join with M2. Okay, you got some warning. So this is the output I got. Now again check the output, how the outputs are come. You won't get the same output in a repetition case, you will get definitely different output. For both the data set output and proc escape output will be different when we have a repetition case. Okay. Now check. Anyone able to tell how the output came? Did you observe?
Yeah, first for value 1,
Hmm.
it is taking 11.1.
Hmm.
So
11.1.
it is taking 21.1.
Okay.
Again for 11.1, it is taking 21.2.
Yes.
Again for 11.1, it is taking 21.3. So for
Correct.
first key A means it is taking the variable key in the second table also 3 times.
Correct. See here,
Again,
every observation is combining with all observation. 11.1, it is combining with all the 21.1, 21.2, 21.3. Say again, 11.2 also combining with 21.1, 21.2, 21.3. Correct. Here one
Yeah.
each observation it is combining with all the observations in the data set too. What we call this is as in the starting we discussed. If the output will come like this, we call as a Cartesian product, right? Same, right? In the Cartesian product meaning each observation from the data set 1 is combining with all the observations from the data set. Combine like this, it's a Cartesian product. And one more thing you observe, you got to see as a missing values. I'm supposed to get a C also. How to overcome this issue? Using Kolsek function, right? If we use a Kolsek function, what we discuss in the Kolsek function? So for a common key variable, for a common variable, if you have missing values, if we use a Kolsek function, you'll get a character. Okay. So let me show you first here. For the current output will come, then after that we'll use a Kolsek function. Okay. We'll join using this. Okay. I have key and value 1. Next key variable, it is supposed to come and overwrite here, but it won't overwrite. Instead, what it will do? Instead, it will go for ignorance. Okay. Next to value 2. Okay. Same. Now, A 11.1 is going to combine with all the observations in the data set. Same way, where A 11.2 is going to combine with all the observations 21.1, 21.2, 21. So that is called Cartesian product, right? Okay. A 11.1 combined with 21.1, 21.2, 21.3. Similarly, A 11.1 combined with 11.2 combined with 21.1, 21.2, and 21.3. Okay. Next, B 12.1. The data set 2 is not available. B 12.2. Checking the data set 2, not available. Next, I'm supposed to take a C, but we are ignored this key variable. So you won't get a C here. But checking the data set 1 missing, checking the data set 2, you have a value 2. Clear? Simple. So this is how we'll get output data set when you do it using proc SQL for a repetition cases. But I'm getting this C as a missing. So to overcome this issue, what I'm going to do? I'm going to use callsec function. Okay. So for the same scenario, if you use a callsec function, sorry, I was in mute. Sorry, I was in mental mute. Sorry. See, when I'm using the callsec function now, so previously you are getting the question.
Yeah, it's clear, sir.
Oh, fine. So now understand, right? So in a data step case, so for repetition keys case, okay, whenever you have missing value, it will return the previous values. But in a proc SQL case, what is the output? How you're going to get output? We'll get a Cartesian product as an output. Okay, clear? So just note it down that point alone, so then you can easily remember. Okay, so in a repetition keys case, now the output will come. Proc SQL brings the Cartesian product as an output. Product as an output. Okay, clear? Now same scenario, can you guys tell me what is the inner join output will come for a data step method and proc SQL method? Left join and right join, you can take it as a task. That's simple. Okay. So if I combine these two data sets M1 and M2, what is the inner join output? I run the program, code will be the same only. What is the output will come? Tell me. I'm going to combine these two data sets. What is the energy and output? Yes, anyone? What are the variables? What are the observations? Will come? Code will be the same. Energy, sorted 1, sorted 2. The condition if X and Y. So if I have inner join these two data sets, what is the output?
I think both are any common values.
Tell me what are the variables, what are the observations? Will come? How it will combine? Anyone?
Key variable value 1 and value 2, sir.
First A and second A values.
E and value 1, value 2. Tell me what are the observations will come? A,
11.1,
11.1,
21.1,
21.1,
A,
A,
11.2,
11.2,
21.2,
okay,
A,
A,
dot
okay,
21.3,
okay,
B, 12.1,
you are telling energy or full join?
inner joint.
I think only 2 years, sir. Rest of all them.
Why B will come? Now tell me why B will come.
Common?
Do you have B common?
Oh, no, sir. No.
Then
Then A only comes, sir.
Only 2 years. Yeah.
okay, again why only 2 years will come?
In
When you're combining 2
see,
years,
2 years are there, and same 2 years. Third year it is not available in the common.
no, A means A only, right? 2 years will override with 3 years. Your output will get 3 years. A is a common observation.
Yeah,
Yes.
right. Okay. Yeah.
So your output you will going to get 3 years. Okay. The next, what is the scenario when you combine a what is the note I gave here? In a repetition case, for missing values, you retain the previous values. For getting the missing value right here,
Yes, sir. That is 11.2.
it will retain the previous value. Correct? Simple. Check. Same thing. Check it with proc SQL as well. M1 inner join with M2. So M1 dot key and M2. I'm not using call function as a flow. Okay. Now tell me what is the output will come. Key value 1, key value 2. So I'm going to combine these two data sets. Okay. Inner join using SQL. Tell me what are the variables, what are the observations will come. when I combine using ProcSQL. Yes. Anyone? Mandit, can you tell me what is the output will come?
Um, uh, so variables are going to be key, value 1, value 2.
Key value 1, value 2. So this key value, it won't overwrite here. Instead, what it will do? It will go for a ignorance. Okay. Next to value 2. Then
AA,
A,
2 A's, 11.1,
1.1,
21.1,
21.1,
another A,
A,
11.2.
1.2. Okay.
No, actually 11.1,
11.1. What is the output will come?
21.2,
21.2.
another A, 11.1, 21.3,
Okay.
one more A,
Hmm.
and now 11.2, and then all three values will follow.
So you will get a Cartesian product as an output, correct?
Yeah.
So each observation is combining with all the three observations in the output data set. 21.1, 21.2, 21.3. Because here we have only way A only is the common observation. Yeah. So A is the common observation. For that A, it will do the Cartesian product. Okay. See? Got a same output. Cartesian product. 11.1, 11.2. 11.1 combined with 21.1, 21.2, 21. Similarly, 11.2 also combined with 21.1, 21.2, 21.
But it is not like that, no, sir. Excel and this is not same like sequence.
11.1, 11.2. Sequence won't be, because sequence did not.
Okay.
If you want to sort it, you will get in the sequence. Okay,
Okay.
that's it. Same thing, you can guys take it as a task and check the remaining two as well, right gen and left gen. Code already available there. Just you check how the output will be. Right gen and left gen. Right gen and left gen for M1 and M2 data set. Combining M1 and M2 data set. Import data set. Okay. Clear? Can you guys do it? Already available the code. You just change the instead of U1 and U2, you change the M1 and M2. Non-repetition case we saw, right? So same case. Okay. That's it. Okay, any doubts in SQL? So that's it for SQL. We have. Any questions, any doubts? No. Okay, fine then. So we'll stop it here. Tomorrow we'll start the macros topic. Tomorrow on deck. Okay. So continue things. We'll continue tomorrow.
Recording